So we have a Surds question. This question actually came from very much towards the end of the paper. A, for 2 marks, show that 4 over root 7 can be written in the form of a root b, where a and b are integers. Integers means whole numbers, so you must make sure you understand that. So you're basically getting rid of the fraction and you are going to have integers, which is whole numbers. Now this is hinting to you that you need to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means get rid of the third. Third means the square root. Get rid of the third from the denominator. So the way you rationalize this is you multiply the top and the bottom by the denominator. This is what we're doing. It doesn't say rationalize, but you have to know in order to get rid of the root 7, you need to rationalize from practice. So 14 times that is 14 root 7. You need to know root 7 times root 7. The key thing is going to end up being 7. Root 7 times root 7 is going to end up being 7. So that is that. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Root 7. Do I have what they've asked for? Yes, I do. That's my 2 marks. Next one, 3 marks. Work out. Give your answer as an integer. Again, you need a whole number. So you're looking at that and you are going, okay, what can I do? What's the biggest number? I've got root 80. How else can I write root 80? Remember, when you are simplifying or breaking down surds, you are looking for 2 numbers which multiply to give you 80, and one of them has to be the largest square number that goes into 80. From practice, let's check. Does that work? Is 16 times 10 is 160. 16 times 5 is 80. Can I break down 5 even more? No. There we go. And the reason why you want one of them to be the largest square number is so you can square root it. There you go. So I've written that down. Next one is root 18. 2 numbers which multiply to give you 18. One of them must be the largest square number that goes into it. There you go. Root 9 is 3. And there you go. I can then write this out again. 2 root 10 times, remember it's times, not plus. Some of you did not recognize as times and you thought it's plus, and therefore you're collecting like terms. No, you are not collecting like terms because we're not talking about a plus. So we've got that there. Remember, this is multiplication. So 2 times 4 times 3, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. Now, if you can write root 80 like this, you can also do the reverse, which is root 16 times 5 can be written like this. So we are going to go reverse. 10 times 5 times 2. This then gives you 24 times root. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 2 is 100. Remember, we're working towards an integer. So 24 root 100 is 10. There you have it. You have an integer as your answer. Remember, with part B, you are not collecting like terms. It's not a plus question. You are not looking for the same root.